Oh, we are group 1, and now we talk about CLAAS. Now our group is Andrea, me, Maria, Rita, Veronique, Sinara, Andreas, and Hannes. Now let's get started with Andreas.
Okay, so yes, so we're talking about CLAAS. And the original meaning of the company, they make tractors, harvesters, and all kind of machinery for harvesting. They've been active in tractor manufacturing since 1913. They are a creator of dominant designs. E.g., they have sort of the Dominator combined harvester, which is sort of very robust one, which is sort of in some South African countries, Dominator means harvester. So that's sort of the level of dominance. They have a traditional brand with premium quality, and they have also had sort of made several innovations over the years. So innovation is part of the company culture. So the meaning of the products from the customer perspective, I mean, the CLAAS is the Mercedes of tractors and harvesting machines. Since 1994, CLAAS has been promoting digitization within agriculture, and CLAAS supports them being efficient farmers.
Now, if we talk about the new meaning for the farmers, in fact, the farmers what their main need is they want to have better harvest. So if CLAAS just think about smart farming, just talk about connectivity-based technologies to enhance efficiency. But thanks to IP design, it could go a step beyond and try to combine those novel technology and also on interconnectivity of the platforms and deliver new services to the farmers. And thanks to that, it could move from smart farming from a precision farming, in fact, in order to reply to economic, social, and environmental challenges. So now let's talk about the following.
As you see on those photos, it's a complete transformation, also from the point of view of how it all looks. And from the IP design perspective, it's no longer only about the risk minimization and suppression of imitation, but it's also about the strategic prohibition. And further, we will talk about the 3 particular patents that we identified relevant for this.
Briefly, this first document, it is a patent application, and which claims a method for operation of a self-propelled agricultural machine. And it is a sensor system that one is based on cameras and another one is based on laser, which generates information about the surrounding area where is the machine. And this information are sent to the driver assistance for generation control action and within the working machine. Next patent document with Andreas, maybe.
Yeah, and then we have identified a second patent, and this is about a system, a device to correctly direction the grain harvested into an harvester through means by GPS positioning or satellite position. And of course, that's increase a lot the efficiency, since basically the 2 machinery, so the one that harvest and that one that collect the harvest, they can work in parallel. So you double the efficiency instead of harvesting first and then collecting later. Yeah, so I think that's a bit the basic of that.
The third patent is about the method for controlling the data transmission between a harvester, for example, and the network, like internet. When the harvester drives over a field, there is a possibility especially in agriculture, there is a possibility that on the field there is no network or no network connection. So it's synchronized with a control device which knows how and where it drives, and at the end, or when more data is needed, it drives back to a point where there is a connection. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I will give word to group 2.